This is how you can come up with 100 viral video ideas in under 20 minutes. As always, timestamps are below because I value your time and you already know why you're here, so let's get into it. The method that we're going to be using today is combining your AI generator of choice and Notion, which is my preferred productivity and note-taking tool, and who is also the sponsor of this video, so shout out Notion. And at some point during the video, if you're like,
oh my gosh, Millie, where did you get this gorgeous content calendar? This looks so good. Oh my gosh, I want one.
This is my free Notion content calendar. I'll link it down below where you can use this exact template completely for free, so you're welcome. With your AI generator of choice, we're going to be plugging in a very specific prompt today, because the more accurate information that you give it, the better your results will be. So here's the prompt we're going to be using. I'm a content creator in the blank niche that verb audience how to goal so they can result. My goal is to grow quickly on insert your platform. Can you help me come up with viral blank ideas about the following topics? 25 viral video ideas about content pillar 1, 25 viral video ideas about content pillar 2, 25 viral video ideas about content pillar 3, and 4, and 5. Let's do an example together. Here on my template, when you go to the brand identity section, this is where you could fill in a lot of those blanks that we saw in the prompt. Personally, I like to fill everything out before plugging in the prompt. I feel like it's more of a brainstorm session where you could sit, deep dive, and get really clear on who you want to be online, your goals as a creator, where you envision yourself going. So all of the blanks that are in the prompt are super important to take your time on deciding. Really quickly filling out personal goals. Let's say your goal is to hit 10K followers on Instagram. You also want to start making money with brand collabs. And then you could continue to fill out multiple goals if you have them. For niche, I'm sure you hear this a bajillion times, but this is basically the main industry that you want to grow your profile in. Saying like travel, typically not enough. You want to get really specific of like what type of travel. So is it solo travel tips for women? How specific can you get with your niche? For this one, I do social media education. It's not just media, social media education. Target audience, this is who your content is for. For filling in our prompt, the target audience is going to be people who want to become content creators. When you fill out your target audience, it's important to know what their goals are and what results you can help them achieve. Sometimes these are the same, sometimes they're different. So let's say for this example, the goal is to grow organically on social media. And when they do this, the result will be building a brand that helps them make money. Next is content pillars. These are basically the subtopics that you'll be posting and rotating between, and they're all under your niche. So they're all kind of, if you think of your niche as the umbrella, these kind of fall under those as subtopics. So for our example, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, making money and organizing your business. So with this being the prompt that we started with, filling it in with all the information we just brainstormed, it would look a little something like this. I'm a content creator in the social media niche that teaches aspiring content creators how to grow organically online so they could build a brand that can help make them money. My goal is to grow quickly on Instagram. Can you help me come up with viral reels ideas about the following topics? 25 viral video ideas about growing on YouTube, 25 viral video ideas about growing on Instagram, 25 viral video ideas about growing on TikTok, and ways to make money as a content creator. I think some of the blanks that might cause people some questions is the verb one. So we didn't really fill that out, but I know that I want to help people or I want to educate people. Think of a verb or ways that you want to connect with people. Is it inspiring, making them laugh, educating? What is the way that you want to show up online? And then of course, I also added format at the very end of the prompt. That's basically the type of content that you're going to be creating. So yes, you could say my goal is to grow quickly on YouTube, but when you're feeding AI information, you want to be specific of what kind of videos they're going to help you come up with. So you want to say, oh, I want help coming up with YouTube video ideas or TikTok ideas or Reels ideas, because then they're able to kind of like dig through the internet, dig through TikTok to see what's working, dig through Instagram to see what's working, dig through YouTube to see what's working. So I like to be very specific with not only the platform I want to grow on, but also the format of content that you want to be creating. So let's officially take our prompt and plug it into an AI generator. And as you could see, it's going to start spitting out tons of viral video ideas that you could choose which ones you want to tweak, add your own modifications to, and ultimately start to move forward with creating. Now, when you're plugging in your information to the prompt, all of those blanks don't have to be filled out in that exact order. Like if you're filling out the prompt and it sounds weird or unnatural to you, that's fine. You could rearrange it. But I will say all the prompts or all the blanks should be listed somewhere in your prompt. I created this prompt with all the key components that you need for building a personal brand online. And if you're somebody who wants quick results, posting consistently within your niche, to your target audience, within content pillars, all of that is going to help you grow faster. So this would be a great prompt of somebody who used the prompt as inspiration, but filled it in to make sense for their own niche. Okay, so we all saw these amazing ideas being spit out at us from ChatGPT. But if you create something like this over in Notion, I actually have a fun hack for you, and that's to use Notion AI features in your Notion account to help you come up with and generate content ideas. So if you haven't heard, Notion AI has the capabilities of an AI chatbot, writing assistant, and universal search, all built into your workspace to help save you time and cost. For example, already in the template, this gives you exactly what to put into Notion AI. So I'm gonna type / and I'm going to type AI and press see more. And here, this is where I'm going to do brainstorm ideas. Now I'm going to take this prompt, fill it in with my blanks, and plug it in here. The cool thing is Notion AI also pulls from any information that's in your workspace on this page. I don't have to list out,
oh, can you help me with 10 content ideas for an Instagram content pillar?
I just tell them like,
hey, for any of the content pillars listed on this page, can you help me come up with content ideas?
So let's plug that in. And just for the sake of time, let's just jump to 5 viral ideas and press enter. Boom, shakalaka. Yay, so freaking cool. While those load, I'm going to show you a few other ways that you could use Notion AI as a content creator. If you're somebody who scripts your YouTube videos within Notion, you can have Notion turn those videos into short form scripts for you by simply asking it for the 3 main talking points in that script. Plus, like I said before, Notion AI is like your assistant that can pull from world knowledge to chat with you about any topic. So these are some example prompts that I've asked Notion AI. I'm feeling unmotivated today. Can you give me a word of encouragement? This one's super cool because again, this is pulling from like some of the information that's within my workspace, and it took a look at my goals and it's just encouraging me like, hey, you're in the social media niche, which means you're helping others achieve their dreams. Your work has the potential to positively impact many people's lives, and that's just like, okay, cool. That is exactly what I needed to hear. You could also ask it something like, could you start a YouTube video outline for me on how to grow on Instagram? And then of course it starts creating a general outline for a potential YouTube video with some talking points. So yeah, if you're interested in using Notion and Notion AI, I'll leave a link down below in the description that you could use. And now that we have over 100 viral video ideas, let's start moving our key ideas onto a content calendar so that we're organized and not overwhelmed, and you're able to plan your videos and batch ahead. So let's start dragging some of these ideas that I definitely resonate with and want to turn into my own and put them onto our content calendar. While I chug my water, please ignore my posture. From here, you're able to actually open up the ideas that you want to work with. You can script your video here, create your film date. Say I want to film it next week. And then post date could be there. And of course, any post date that you add, it'll automatically sync with your calendar view and it'll show you exactly what days you're posting. So yeah, I didn't just want to show you how to come up with viral ideas. I wanted to make sure you had some way of organizing those ideas and actually moving forward and taking action with them instead of having this endless list and getting overwhelmed and being like, okay, now what? So use a content calendar. They are your friends. Now, if you're somebody who is new to Notion and you want a beginner step-by-step breakdown, be sure to watch this video next. This is my full Notion tutorial where I teach you how to create your own content calendar step-by-step. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Follow your joy. Bye. Sweet.